Arvind Kejriwal is courting controversy when he was allotted two big bungalows in the posh Bhagwan Das Road in Delhi. Let's remind you that Kejriwal expressed surprise at the opulent houses allotted to him and refused the accommodation amidst mounting criticism, saying that he wanted a simpler accommodation. But documents accessed by Times Now punches holes in Kejriwal's version, as the letter trail with Times Now clearly shows that Kejriwal asked for the house himself. Let's get in our political affairs editor Navika Kumar. Navika, take us through the details that you've been able to access on this. How many houses really was Arvind Kejriwal while keeping up the pretext of wanting just a small house in the national capital?
Well, on January 4th, Arvind Kejriwal said that the houses allocated to him by the government were too large. They were on Bhagwan Das Road and he wanted something more modest. Now, this is the letter trail that we have with us. This letter, dated 30th of December 2013, is written by the Secretary to Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister. This letter says, Honorable Chief Minister has requested for allotment of house number 6/7 and 7/7 at Bhagwan Das Road, New Delhi. So this letter clearly shows that the houses were sought by Arvind Kejriwal. It's not that they were allotted. The letter is dated 30th of December. So within 2 days of Arvind Kejriwal's swearing in ceremony, these houses were demanded by Arvind Kejriwal. This letter also goes on to say it is requested that this houses may be allotted to the government of Delhi for further allotment to the Chief Minister, and in return 2 Type 6 houses would be given back to the DDA. So this is the letter, and it clearly says that the house number 6/7 and 7/7 were actually requested by the Chief Minister himself. This is a letter that has been written by his Secretary Rajendra Kumar on the 30th of December, and it clearly says Honorable Chief Minister has requested for allotment of house number 6/7 and 7/7 at Bhagwan Das Road. Now also look at the notings in this particular letter. It says, please put it up urgently, quickly written over here. All of this happening on the 30th of December itself, and in fact it is on the same day that the LG's office has responded and has allotted these houses. If you see here, Secretary to CM is whom this letter is marked to, with respect to the note submitted by him on the 30th of December. So the LG's office has responded the same day, allotting the 2 houses that were requested for by Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. The big question now really is that there was a public posture that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal took. He did not need these large 5-bedroom houses. The fact is that if he did not need these large 5-bedroom houses, then why did he request in these letters a request sent out by his office itself?
Well, that's the big question then, isn't it? Navika, I'm going to come back to you. Exclusive details is what Navika Kumar is bringing to us on this big development. In the meanwhile, let's listen in to the stand and the statement that was made by Arvind Kejriwal earlier in the month of January.
अभी जो आपने घर लिया है उसको लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं कि बहुत बड़ा फ्लैट है, डुप्लेक्स है, 10 कमरे हैं। सच क्या है?
आप अपना कैमरा ले जाओ, अभी खुला होगा शायद।
अभी अलाउड नहीं है, लेकिन आज
नहीं अलाउड। मैं बोल दूंगा उनका सारे जगह
लोग फिर भी सुन रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं ध्यान देते हैं।
मैं बताता रहा हूँ
क्या कहेंगे अरविंद केजरीवाल इस घर?
भाई 2 घर है, एक घर नहीं है। कहा जा रहा है एक घर है 10 कमरों का, 10 कमरों का नहीं 5 कमरों का एक घर है, और एक 5 कमरों का है। तो एक ही कमरे में, एक ही घर में रहेंगे, तो एक तो ऑफिस के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा, तो इसके लिए तो खुश होना चाहिए आपको। भाई वहाँ पे सवेरे जल्दी उठ के भी काम करेंगे, देर रात तक भी काम करेंगे, तो ऑफिस बनाने में क्या हर्ज है? रहेंगे तो 5 घर में ना। अभी मेरा 4 कमरों का घर है जहाँ पे रहता हूँ, अब 5 कमरों का घर हो जाएगा। बस इतना ही फर्क है जी, बाकी तो और कोई फर्क नहीं है। और कोई एतराज अगर आप लोगों को है तो बताओ, और थोड़ा सा एरिया कंपेयर कर लो जो पिछले मुख्यमंत्री का था और जो उसका।
Well, in yet another development on this big story we're getting you here on the newsroom, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has refused to respond to Times Now's expose, evading questions on the letter written by his office asking for a big accommodation.
You don't want to speak to us? You don't want to speak to us? What happened? Okay, there's some issue with your residence. That's what I want to see.
Arvind, एक बार at least listen to the question. You don't want to react, it's okay.
क्या अच्छा आप सुन लीजिए ना. Question is, there's a document from your office on behalf of you that you requested for your Bhagwan Das Wala Road ka accommodation. You knew how big it was going to be, but still you decided and you refused it. Is that true? You're saying you don't know. Arvind, but is that true? At least whatever you feel, whatever your comment is.